sipping. Since I've been too young, I mean, baby girl, I've been popping and I've been rolling.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Just Kiesha if you're new, and in today's video we are going to be doing a luxury unboxing. Love that for me. So if you're interested in stuff like that, please make sure y'all stick through the whole video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe now, because why not? Like, what are you doing if you're not subscribing right now? And make sure at the end of this video y'all give me a thumbs up and leave some comments in the comment section down below. So y'all know I always like to put my little disclaimers out there. My nails ain't done, and I was trying to wait until I went to the nail salon before filming this video. So don't drag me if y'all happen to see like these cuticles looking a little hit. I'm gonna go take care of that tomorrow, and I might vlog. So it's probably beneficial that my nails ain't done in this video. But don't come for me, okay? Don't come for me. So I'm actually really excited about this unboxing because the stuff that's in these boxes I've been dying to wear and use. So let's get right into it. So we have some Dior. We have some Louis Vuitton, and then we have another thing from Moschino, or comment how you say that word. Is it Moschino or Moschino? How do you say it? I say Moschino. I think I'm saying it right, but for some reason everyone pronounces it a different way, so just comment down below how y'all pronounce it. But yes, Moschino. That's what we're gonna say today. I'm gonna start with that first, actually. I'm gonna start with that first. So this was actually gifted to me on Mother's Day, and this is like something that I love. Like, I absolutely love this. So this is my absolute favorite fragrance ever, you guys. Like, can y'all even see it? Is it okay? There we go. So if you guys have never tried Moschino Toy 2, the fragrance, get you some. Like, just do yourself that favor. First of all, before we even get into the smell, can we get into the packaging? Like, I think this is what sold me, was this bottle. Like, isn't it so cute, you guys? So cute. So I'm not sure how much this bottle cost, because when I bought it I didn't buy the big bottle and it was gifted to me, but I'm gonna find out how much this bottle costs and link it in the description down below, so that if y'all want to get you some, y'all could get y'all some, because oh my god, this is my favorite ever. Like, I was so sad when I ran out of this, and it was sold out everywhere. Sephora, Macy's, everywhere. So I went without it for a long time, but this is my absolute, like, one of my favorite fragrances ever. So I was super excited when I got this. All right, so next we're gonna move into what's in this Dior bag over here. I love Dior. I think that their stuff is just so bomb. Like, Dior always has nice pieces, from accessories to clothing to shoes. Like, their stuff is always bomb. So we're gonna open up the little box, and I love how they package it. Like, the ribbons just are such a cute touch to it. Like, I love companies that put thought and effort into their packaging, because packaging is a big thing in today's day and age, especially. You open it up, it has the Dior in there, and it's a nice little pouch, and we got a headband, y'all. And hello, K for who? Just Kiesha, customized over here. Now let me stop. But yes, y'all, so we have the nice headband. So this color, for me, there's two colors that are I think are in this summer, and it's the bright orange, like tangerine orange, and this sky blue color. Those two colors, love them for me. Like, I love everything about this headband. So it has the initial K on it, and then it has like the white and blue print, and then on the back it just says Christian Dior on this side, and then it says Kaleidoscope on this side. So super cute. I don't want to put it on because I have on makeup, but y'all know what it's giving this summer. Like, y'all know what it's giving this summer. I love these. I have another one, and I want to get a Louis Vuitton one, but the ones that I see online from Louis Vuitton, every time I'm going to the store they never have them. So I have yet to get one that I really want, and one that everyone doesn't have, because they be having all of them. Like, so, but yes, love this for me. I absolutely love this. So now we're gonna get to the orange box, because you know we love orange boxes over here. So this is from Louis Vuitton. And y'all know Louis Vuittons, they go hard with the wrapping, or wrapping, packaging. They go in with the packaging. So we're just gonna take the ribbon off. These boxes always give me a hard time. All right, so here's what's inside, you guys. So we have 2 dust bags here, so that can only mean one thing. We got some shoes, some sandals, something going on in here. Y'all, these, oh my God. Okay, so y'all, get into it. Get into them. Get into them. Boom, bam, get into them. Let me stop, y'all. So these are so freaking cute. I don't even know the name of them. These were also gifted to me on Mother's Day, but I'm gonna find what the sandal is called and I'm gonna link them in the description box. They have other colors in these, but this color for the summertime, oh my God. And let me just, I just have to, because I mean, why not? Like, why not? Like, period. That's what we gonna say is period. No, but these, oh my God, when I saw these, I loved them, and I fell in love with them so fast. Like, I wanted to know what other colors they had. I think they have like a lime green or like that neon yellow color in these, and the bubblegum pink that's in too. But these, I love these. So funny story, I wanted the Bottegas in this color for the longest in sandals and in the mules, but I could never find them in my size. Like, I wanted the sky blue Bottegas for a minute. Like, really, when I got the sky blue Telfair bag was when I wanted those, and I could never get them, so I was just over it after a while. And I got these and I'm just obsessed. Like, I'm Bottega who, like, I like these better now because they were in stock in my size, but I still fuck with Bottega. Like, I still want a pair. But yeah, y'all, so that wraps up this luxury unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed these items. I can't wait to serve some looks on the gram with these pieces on while smelling good with my Moschino hobby, I'll say it, Toy 2 perfume. I'm excited. Like, love these for me. Oh my God. So that wraps up this unboxing, you guys. Make sure y'all comment y'all's favorite piece down below. Make sure y'all let me know if I'm saying Moschino right, because I don't want to be on camera saying something wrong, even though I'm already on camera saying something wrong. And give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Like, make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up and share it at the end for me. So yeah, stick around. We're gonna have a lot more content coming, some hauls, more unboxings, all the stuff that y'all love to see, y'all gonna get. And yeah, I can't wait to see y'all in my next video really soon. Bye, guys.